Bismillah kusoo dhawaada xarunta waxbarashada Irmaan Educational Center halka waxaan ku qaadanaynaa 10 jumlada ah.
Sentences.
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 Number 2 xaqiiqdii waqti ay qaadanaysaa.
It really takes time.
It really takes time.
It really takes time.
Number 2 makasaayi.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Number 3 maalin wanaagsan.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Iskuulku waxa uu bixiyaa course English aad ku baran kartaa si lacag la'aan ah laguna qaadanayo afar buug oo isfasiraya muuqaaladooda haddaba haddii aad doonayso nagala soo xiriir WhatsApp numberka qaybta profile-ka saaran sidoo kale cashka la garaysiina share garay mahadsanid. Number 4 berri ma imaan karaa.
Can I come tomorrow?
Can I come tomorrow?
Can I come tomorrow?
Number 5 safar wanaagsan.
Have a good trip.
Have a good trip.
Have a good trip.
Number 6 qofna uma sheegin.
I haven't told anyone.
I haven't told anyone.
I haven't told anyone.
Number 7 ha welwelin.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Number 8 waan ka xumahay.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Number 9 halkaa miyaa joogtaa.
Are you there?
Are you there?
Are you there?
Number 10 ha i dhibin.
Don't bother me.
Don't bother me.
Don't bother me.
Number 11 ha cunin jalaato.
Don't eat ice cream.
Don't eat ice cream.
Don't eat ice cream.
Number 12 ha dhaqaaqin.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Number 13 isii 5 daqiiqo.
Give me 5 minutes.
Give me 5 minutes.
Give me 5 minutes.
Number 14 been ha ii sheegin.
Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me.
Number 15 cunto ma rabtaa.
Do you want food?
Do you want food?
Do you want food?
Number 16 ruug cuntada si sax ah.
Chew food properly.
Chew food properly.
Chew food properly.
Number 17 ku faraxsanow taas.
Be happy with that.
Be happy with that.
Be happy with that.
Number 18 ma xanuunsan tahay.
Are you sick?
Are you sick?
Are you sick?
Number 19 i aamin.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Number 20 ha dagaalin.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Number 21 shanlay tintaada.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.